Good morning students. You all are welcome to today's online class. In the previous class I couldn't complete the last sum. Let's continue. Okay. Listen carefully. That is 1 by 2 into, let's multiply a into 2a square plus, now this 2 term into this 2 term on the multiple. It is 6 into minus a minus 6a, 6 into 1 plus 6 minus 2a into minus a plus 2a square minus 2a into 1 minus 2a, this 2 term over. Same way next 2 term, let's multiply, that is minus 4 into 2 minus 8 and this 2 term into this 2 term, so that goes to minus 4 into 2 over next to minus a into 2, that is minus 2a, and this minus 2a with this 2 term, that is minus 2a into minus 4, we get plus 8a, and again minus a into minus 2a, we get minus into minus plus, so that a into 2a is 2a square plus 2a square. Close the bracket. The next bracket formula, there is a minus of, again this 2 term with this 2 term, that is minus a into 2 minus 2a plus 1 into 2, next minus a and minus 3a, that is plus 2a square, and 1 into minus 2a is minus 2a. Next this 2 term, that is minus 4 into 2a minus 8a minus a and 2a, that is minus 2a square plus 6 into a 6a and minus 2a into a is minus 2a square. Close the bracket. Given it is the points are collinear, so equal 0 can use, equal to 0. Let's simplify 1 by 2 into, let's see the a square term, that is 2a square and 2a square, that is 6a square, 2a square, 2a square, 2a square, that is 6a square, 6a square. And a term, let us see the a term, that is minus 6a minus 2a, that is 8a, 8a plus 8a, minus 6a minus 2a, that is minus 8a. Here one plus 8a is there, so minus 8a, this two together minus 8a, and here one plus 8a is there, can be cancelled. Then one more a term is there, that is minus 2a, minus 2a. Then number term 6 minus 8, we have minus 2. Close the bracket. Next bracket, minus of, here a square term is plus a square minus, plus 2a square minus 2a square, can be cancelled. One more minus 2a square term is there, so minus 2a square. Then a terms, like the a terms, this 2a square minus 2a square term cancel. One more term is there, minus 2a square. And a terms, like the a term, minus 2a minus 2a, that is minus 4a minus 4a minus 8a. So minus 2a minus 2a 4a minus 4a minus 8a is minus 12a. Minus 4a minus 8a is 12a. 12a minus 12a plus 6a is minus 6a. Okay, minus 6a. The number term, that is 2 and only one 2 is there. Okay, so plus 2 is equal to 0. That is half into 6a square minus 2a minus 2, then minus into minus plus 2a square minus into minus plus 6a minus into plus minus 2 equal to 0. That is half into a square term simplified, 6a square plus 2a square is 8a square, 8a square, then a term is 6a square plus 2a square over a square term over, then a term minus 2a plus 6a, that is plus 4a. Then number term, that is constant term minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4 is equal to 0. Take the 1 by 2 as the right side. So we have 8a square plus 4a minus 4 is equal to 0 into 1 by 2 become 2 by 1. That is 8a square plus 4a minus 4 equal to 0. 4 is common in all the three terms. Let's divide it by 4. Divided by 4. We get, what we get now? 8a square divided by 4 we get 2a square here plus 4a divided by 4 we get a minus 4 by 4 we get 1 is equal to 0. Now it to become quadratic equation. Okay, let us factorize using I method. So product is 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and the sum is 1. Okay, what are the numbers? Just guess the number. 2 and minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 2 plus minus 1 is 1 we get. Okay, there is a coefficient in the first term, so we have to divide it by that. What is the coefficient of first term? 2 is there, so divided by 2. Both values divided by 2. It can be cancelled 1. Here cannot cancel. So now as a factor form, how can we write? There is a variable is a. So using a, how can we write this? A plus 1. A plus 1. Here denominator into a. That is 2 is there. So 2a. Numerator there is a minus. So minus 1. Okay. So this can be right using this a plus 1 into 2a minus 1 equal to 0. Further, let's separate this both. Now it will become two linear equations. Let's write separately. That is a plus 1 equal to 0 or this equation 2a minus 1 equal to 0. From here a is equal to 0 minus 1, that is minus 1, or from here 2a is equal, take this minus on right side, so it will become plus 1. From here a is equal to 1 divided by 2. Therefore a is equal to minus 1 or a is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Find the values of a. So a is equal to minus 1 or a is equal to 1 by 2. Both value will be satisfied. Okay. Now let's see the next example. Example 5.5. It is in page number 206. Write the question. Okay. Example 5.5. Example 5.5, along with me write the question. The floor of a hall is, the floor of a hall is covered with identical tiles which are in the shape of triangles. One such triangle has the vertices at minus 3, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, minus 1, and 1 comma 2. If the floor of the hall is completely covered by 110 tiles. Find the area of the floor. Find the area of the floor. Listen, children. So what is given now? There is a floor. It is covered with a triangular shape of tiles. Okay. There are totally 110 tiles are there. What is the area of the floor? Okay. But one triangular tiles vertice is given. So using that, first of all, we have to find the area of one triangular tile. That amount we want to multiply by 110. Why means there is 110 tiles are there. Okay. Let's do. Given that arise, let the vertices of one triangular tile are, let us take A, B, C. Okay, A of minus 3 comma 2 and B of minus 1 comma minus 1 and C of 1 comma 2. Let us find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle ABC means area of one triangular tile. Okay, is equal to formula, right? Of into, recall the formula and say of into x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 close the bracket minus of formula minus, okay, minus of x2 y3 plus x3 x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x1 y3 close the bracket. Let the matrices write x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. X1 equal to minus 3 comma y1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to minus 1 and y2 is equal to minus 1. x3 is equal to 1 comma y3 is equal to 2. Let's substitute. That is y2 into 1 by 2 into x1 y2. That is x1 y2. What is the value of x1? Minus 3 into y2 is minus 1. Then there is plus. That is plus x2 y3. That is what is the value of x2? x2 is minus 1 into what is y3? 2. Plus next term is x3 y1. That is x3 is x3 is 1 into y1 is 2. Close the bracket. Minus of next two terms. Minus of x2 y1. That is x2 is minus 1 into y1 is 2 plus x3 y2. x3 is 1 into y2 is minus 1 plus x1 y3. x1 is minus 3 into y3 is 2. Close the bracket. That is equal to 1 by 2 into, let's multiply, minus 3 into minus 1 is 3, then here plus into minus, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, plus 1 2s are 2. Okay, close the bracket. Minus of minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 3 into 2, minus 6. Which is equal to 1 by 2 into, here minus 2 plus 2 can be cancelled, remaining 3, here with the minus both values we got, before that simplify, 3 minus of, here all the terms are minus only, so add it and give the same sign, minus 2 minus 1, minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 minus into minus here plus 3 plus 9 12. Okay, let's simplify 2 and 12 we get 6, which is equal to 6 square units. 6 square units. Okay, it is the value for area of one tile. We have to find the 110 area. We have to find out 110 tiles area. We have to find out. So area of one triangular tile is equal to 6 square units. Since the floor is covered by 110 tiles. Since the floor is covered by 110 tiles, therefore total area of floor is equal to 110 into 6, that is 660 square units. Okay, note it down. So shall we move to the next question? Okay, example 5.6. Example 5.6. Along with me write the question. Example 5.6. It is in page number 206. Example 5.6. Find the area of the quadrilateral formed by the points 8, 6, 5, 11, minus 5, 12, and minus 4, 3. So we have to find the area of the quadrilateral. So area of the quadrilateral is, this is 5 mark question. It is very, very important question. So one example question is there. 2 more exercise questions are there, children. You should learn carefully. Today itself take practice. Okay, listen carefully how to do. So what to do now? Given point, 4 points are given. What is meant by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is the closed figure made by 4 line segments. So far we studied the triangle. Now quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is the closed figure made by 4 line segments. Okay, so before start, first we have to plot the given points in the rough diagram. Okay, let us plot the given points in rough diagram. Let us plot the points in rough diagram. That is, approximately plot it. X dash, y dash. Approximately plot it. First point is 8, 6. X value 8 correspondingly approximately plot it 8, 6. 8, and name it, write it 8, 6. Next point 5, 11. 5, 11. 5 approximately plot it. 5 comma 11. X value 5, y value 11. In the same paper, same normal paper you can plot it. Okay, not necessary graphs. Same note you can plot it. Next point minus 5 comma 12. Minus 5 correspondingly 12. Minus 5 comma 12. Next minus 4 comma 3. Minus 4 3. Minus 4 comma 3. 4 points we plotted. Let's join the 4 points. We get a quadrilateral. Now it is the closed figure made by 4 line segments. So it is the quadrilateral. Okay, just name it ABCD anti-clockwise. Okay, area sometime we get negative, so that anti-clockwise we have to name it. Okay, let's name it A, B is here B, C, D. Anyway, anti-clockwise as your wish you can name it. Okay, let the vertices be. Let the vertices are A of say 8 comma 6 and B of 5 comma 11. Carefully write the coordinates. Okay, C of minus 5 comma 12 and D of minus 4 comma 3. So easy to write the formula. First for preference, let's write x1, x2, x3, x4. Here 4 vertices are there, so x4. Then one more time, first vertices x1. Like this y coordinates y1, y2, y3, y4, y1. First all the leading diagonals, let's multiply x1, y2 plus x2, y3 plus x3, y4 plus x4, y1. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is area of quadrilateral ABCD is half into let's multiply x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y4 plus x4 y1 close the bracket minus of then all this direction x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x4 y3 plus x1 y4. Close the bracket. It is area of quadrilateral formula. Okay, use this form and write the formula. It is easy to learn. Okay, so from here x1 y1 x2 y2 values let's write. x1 is equal to first coordinate 8, y1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to 5 and y2 is equal to 11, x3 is equal to minus 5 and y3 is equal to 12, x4 is equal to minus 4 and y4 is equal to 3. Let's substitute. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 2 into first x1 y2, that is 8 into x1 y2, that is 8 into what is y2 11 plus x2 y3, that is what is x2 5 into y3 is 12 plus x4 x3 y4, that is what is x3 minus 5 into y4 is 3 plus x4 y1, that is minus 4 into y1 is 6. Close the bracket. First term over, then formula minus next term, that is x2 y1. First of all, what is x2 5 into what is y1 6, that is plus x3 y2, that is minus 5 into what is y2 11, next term plus x4 y3, That is x4 is minus 4 into y3. What is y3? 12. Then plus last term x1 y4. What is x1? 8. 8 into x1 y4. What is the value of y4? 3. Okay. Let's simplify. That is equal to half into 88. 11 8s are 88 plus 16. Here minus 5 into 3 minus 15. Here minus 4 into 6 minus 24. Okay. Close the bracket. Next term there is a minus. Minus of 5 6 are 30 minus 55 minus 4 into 12 minus 48 plus 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Close the bracket. That is equal to half into 88. What is half into 88? Here 88 and 60 both are plus. These two terms are minus. So 148 minus 39 we get 109. 109 plus next term here 30 minus 55 minus 48 plus 24. This both the plus term added together and both the minus term added together we get 49. Okay, 49. That is equal to 1 by 2 into. So 109 plus 49 we have 158, which is equal. Let's simplify. 158 divided by 2. Using 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 7 2s are 14. 18 is there. 9 2s are 18, which is equal to 79 square units. So area of the given quadrilateral is 79 square units. Okay, this is 5 mark question, very important. So today itself we have to take practice. So now let's mark the homeworks. Okay, take page number 209. Question number 5. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are at. 2 questions are there. Both the question homework you can do easily only. Okay, both the questions are homework. Okay, as well as question number 7 homework. Okay, question number 7 homework. Okay, question number 6 we can do it in the next class. Okay, thank you students. Today's question today itself practice it. Okay, thank you.